What if it turns out that Schrödinger, Kastrup, and Felton are correct, and that it is the conditioned distinction in our limited minds that makes any perceived difference between the physical and the mental an illusion? This idea challenges our conventional understanding of reality and opens up a realm of possibilities that we may have never considered before. If we were to embrace the notion that matter and energy are not two separate entities, but rather one interconnected whole, it would align with the beliefs of the non-dual all-is-consciousness philosophers. According to this perspective, everything in the universe is imbued with consciousness, and there is a fundamental unity that underlies all existence. Imagine the implications of such a realization. It would mean that the boundaries we have created between the physical and the mental are merely constructs of our conditioned minds. We would no longer see ourselves as separate from the world around us, but rather as an integral part of a vast cosmic consciousness. This shift in perception would have profound effects on how we understand ourselves and our place in the universe. It would challenge the dualistic thinking that has dominated our scientific and philosophical frameworks for centuries. We would have to re-examine our assumptions about the nature of reality and the limits of human knowledge. One of the reasons why this idea may be difficult for our current minds to accept is our apparent forays into outer space. The exploration of space has brought us incredible technological advancements and expanded our understanding of the physical world. However, it has also reinforced the idea that there is a clear distinction between the physical realm and the realm of consciousness. But what if our exploration of space is not just a journey outward, but also a journey inward? What if, by venturing into the vastness of the cosmos, we are actually exploring the depths of our own consciousness? This idea challenges the notion that consciousness is confined to our individual minds and suggests that it is a universal phenomenon that permeates all of existence. If we were to embrace this perspective, our exploration of space would take on a whole new meaning. It would become a quest to discover the inner dimensions of our own being, to unravel the mysteries of consciousness itself. And in doing so, we would not only expand our understanding of the universe, but also deepen our understanding of ourselves. So, what if Schrödinger, Kastrup, and Felton are indeed correct? What if the conditioned distinction in our limited minds is what creates the illusion of separation between the physical and the mental? It is a thought-provoking idea that challenges our preconceived notions and invites us to explore the depths of our own consciousness. And perhaps in doing so, we will uncover a truth that transcends our current understanding and brings us closer to a profound sense of unity and interconnectedness. Not a flat earther, but. Throughout history, humanity has embarked on incredible journeys of exploration and discovery. From our ventures to the moon to our aspirations of reaching Mars, we have pushed the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Yet, deep within the recesses of our minds, there lingers a sense of wonder and skepticism. Could it be that our perception of outer space, with its vastness and materiality, is merely an illusion? Are we limited by the confines of our own biological reality? While I am not a flat earther, I cannot help but entertain the notion that there may be more to the cosmos than meets the eye. The distances between celestial bodies, as we currently understand them, pose significant challenges for traditional rocket-based travel. Perhaps, instead of relying solely on technological advancements, we should explore the untapped potential of our own minds. Within the realm of consciousness lies a vast landscape waiting to be explored. Our brains, with their intricate networks of neurons, hold the key to unlocking new frontiers. It is not inconceivable that a shift in our understanding of consciousness could pave the way for interplanetary travel. What if we could tap into the depths of our own minds and harness the power of thought to traverse the cosmos? In contemplating these ideas, I stumbled upon the work of philosopher Bernardo Kastrup. In his thought-provoking essay, UAPs and Non-Human Intelligence, What is the Most Reasonable Scenario? Kastrup delves into the enigmatic world of unidentified aerial phenomena, UAPs, and explores the possibility of non-human intelligence. Drawing upon the latest scientific findings and official investigations, he challenges our conventional understanding of reality. One particular reference in Kastrup's essay caught my attention: Jacques Vallée. Vallée, a French researcher renowned for his work on UFOs, proposed a groundbreaking concept in his book Dimensions. He posited that the UFO phenomenon surpasses the boundaries of the material world, transcending the dichotomy between the physical and the psychological. Valley's ideas resonate deeply, offering a glimpse into a reality where the mind and matter intertwine. As I delved further into Valley's theories, I couldn't help but question the limitations of our scientific knowledge. Are we truly grasping the full extent of our own consciousness? Could it be that our understanding of the universe is hindered by the constraints of our own perception? In our pursuit of knowledge, it is essential to remain open-minded and receptive to new possibilities. The exploration of outer space, both physically and mentally, demands a willingness to challenge the status quo. It is through this audacity that we may uncover the true nature of our existence and unravel the mysteries that lie beyond. So, while I may not subscribe to the belief of a flat Earth, I find myself captivated by the idea that there is more to the universe than what meets the eye. Our journey towards understanding the cosmos requires us to embrace the unexplored depths of our own consciousness. Only then can we transcend the limitations of our current understanding and embark on a truly transformative voyage of discovery. Spielberg's film touches on the psychological. Spielberg's film, Close Encounters, delves into the fascinating realm of the psychological. The protagonist's journey is one that takes us on a profound exploration of the human mind and its capacity to dream, imagine, and believe in the extraordinary. In this cinematic masterpiece, we witness the protagonist being driven by a series of dreams that compel him to create a model of the Devil's Tower. Despite the skepticism and doubts of those around him, he remains steadfast in his pursuit, even when others question his sanity. This unwavering determination to follow his dreams serves as a powerful reminder that sometimes, the greatest achievements are born from seemingly irrational ideas. The film culminates in a breathtaking encounter between humans and extraterrestrial beings. Against all odds, these otherworldly creatures defy the laws of physics and descend from the clouds to land their craft on top of the giant mesa. It is a moment of awe and wonder, a testament to the boundless possibilities that exist beyond the confines of our known reality. But what if the laws of physics, which appear to govern our understanding of space travel, are not as rigid as we once believed? In a remarkable article published in the astronomy journal Orion in 2013, NASA revealed the discovery of hidden portals in Earth's upper atmosphere. These portals, known as magnetic portals, create a direct connection between our planet's magnetic field and that of the Sun, spanning a staggering distance of 93 million miles. According to the article, these portals are believed to open and close multiple times throughout the day, hinting at the existence of a cosmic highway that could revolutionize our understanding of space exploration. The concept of portals and wormholes has long been a staple of science fiction, often depicted in popular culture and explored on channels like the History Channel. However, as our scientific knowledge advances, we find that these once fantastical ideas are becoming more grounded in reality. Just as Spielberg's film seamlessly weaves together the realms of imagination and science, so too does real science catch up with the wonders of fiction. Are we collectively dreaming the universe? This thought-provoking question raised by Bernardo Kastrup in his essay delves into the illusory nature of the universe as we perceive it through our senses. Kastrup argues that if our sensory experience is indeed a fabrication, then the very concept of solar systems and planets becomes a projection of our limited minds. This notion resonates with Schrödinger's famous assertion that the total number of minds in the universe is one. Schrödinger, renowned for his paradoxical thought experiments, presents the enigma of the cat in the box, whose state of being dead or alive remains uncertain until observed. Building upon this, what if Schrödinger is also correct in his claim that all is one mind? Would this imply that we are God, the creators of our own reality? Or does it reveal the fallacy of a separate self, exposing it as a mere figment of imagination? If indeed all is one mind, and our senses merely serve to fragment and simplify it into bite-sized chunks that we can comprehend, then our current scientific understanding based on materialism comes into question. The implications of this perspective are profound, challenging the very foundations of our perception and knowledge. If the universe is a collective dream, then our individual experiences are but fragments of a grander whole. We are interconnected, intertwined in a cosmic dance of consciousness. The boundaries that separate us dissolve, and the notion of a separate self loses its grip on our understanding. In this unified vision, the universe becomes a tapestry of consciousness, where every thread contributes to the intricate pattern of existence. Rather than perceiving ourselves as isolated beings, we become aware of our inherent connection to everything around us. We are not mere observers but active participants in the unfolding drama of the universe. Our thoughts, actions, and intentions ripple through the fabric of reality, shaping the course of our collective dream. We hold within us the power to manifest change, to create a world aligned with our deepest aspirations. Embracing this expanded perspective invites us to question the limitations of our current scientific paradigm. The reductionist approach, which seeks to understand reality by dissecting it into smaller parts, may no longer suffice. Instead, we are called to explore the mysteries of consciousness, to delve into the realms of metaphysics and spirituality. By expanding our horizons, we can uncover new insights and bridge the gap between science and spirituality. In this collective dream, we are not passive spectators but active co-creators. We have the capacity to shape our reality, to cultivate a world that reflects our highest ideals. By awakening to the interconnectedness of all things, we tap into a wellspring of inspiration and potential. We become agents of transformation, catalysts for positive change. So, are we collectively dreaming the universe? The answer lies within each of us, waiting to be discovered. As we embark on this journey of self-exploration and expansion, we realize that the universe is not something separate from us but an integral part of our being. We are the dreamers, and through our collective consciousness, we give life to the magnificent tapestry of existence. A possible unifying theory. In the realm of scientific inquiry, there are few topics as captivating as the relationship between the human brain and the universe. It is a subject that has puzzled and intrigued scholars for centuries, and for good reason. The human brain, with its intricate complexity, stands as one of the most remarkable structures in the known world. And yet, as scientists delve deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos, they are beginning to uncover astonishing parallels between the brain and the universe at large. This raises a profound question: could the human brain be a model of the universe? Melvin Felton, a neuroscientist and physicist, delves into this inquiry in his thought-provoking article titled, "Is the Human Brain a Model of the Universe?" He acknowledges the enigmatic nature of the human experience and the challenge of understanding how the physical laws of the universe give rise to our subjective experiences, known as qualia. Felton posits that the human brain, with its intricate neural networks, may hold the key to unraveling this mystery. It is important to note that Felton does not propose a literal interpretation of the human brain as the entire physical universe. Rather, he suggests that there exists a deep resonance between the dynamic energetic properties of reality and the neural networks within our skulls. This resonance implies a profound connection between the macrocosm and the microcosm, where the laws governing the universe are intricately intertwined with the laws governing our consciousness. This notion finds resonance in the words of renowned physicist Stephen Hawking, who famously stated that the natural laws of physics are enough to explain the universe, without the need for a higher power. Hawking's sentiment hints at the idea that our consciousness is aligned with the natural laws of the universe, which we, as sentient beings, are an integral part of. In other words, the laws that govern the universe are not external forces acting upon us, but rather an intrinsic part of our own existence. Exploring this hypothesis further, Felton suggests several ways to test the idea that the human brain is a model of the universe. By studying the intricate workings of the brain and comparing them to the fundamental principles that govern the cosmos, scientists may uncover deeper insights into the nature of consciousness and the universe itself. Such investigations could shed light on the fundamental questions of our existence and offer a deeper understanding of the intricate tapestry that connects us to the cosmos. We are stardust. Carl Sagan once famously said, "We are stardust," suggesting that the very essence of our being is intertwined with the vastness of the universe. It is a thought that resonates deeply within us, igniting our curiosity and compelling us to explore the mysteries of our existence. In the pursuit of understanding the intricate relationship between our mental and physical realities, scientists like Melvin Felton have embarked on a fascinating journey, embracing a hybrid science that combines biology and quantum physics. This emerging field seeks to bridge the gap between the tangible and the intangible, shedding light on the interconnectedness of all things. When we speak of resonance, we often think of physical sound waves vibrating through the air, creating harmonious melodies. However, in Felton's model, resonance takes on a much broader meaning. It extends beyond the realm of sound, encompassing all known and unknown forms of energy, including the enigmatic forces that shape our minds. In his groundbreaking book, Universe Within, Felton delves even deeper into the mysteries of the human brain and its remarkable ability to model the universe. He promises to unveil the surprising ways in which our neural networks mirror the cosmic patterns that govern the cosmos. Through his research, Felton aims to unravel the intricate tapestry of our consciousness, revealing the profound interconnectedness between the microcosm of our minds and the macrocosm of the universe. But who is Melvin Felton, the man behind these profound insights? With a career spanning over a decade, Felton has dedicated himself to the pursuit of knowledge as a physicist at a prestigious U.S. National Science Laboratory. His expertise lies not only in the field of remote sensing of the lower atmosphere, but also in the realms of cybernetics and computational neuroscience. His contributions have been recognized on an international scale, as he has presented his research at esteemed conferences and published in renowned peer-reviewed journals such as Frontiers in Computational Neuroscience. Through his interdisciplinary approach, Felton seeks to bridge the gaps between seemingly disparate fields, weaving together the threads of biology, quantum physics, cybernetics, and computational neuroscience. His work serves as a beacon of inspiration, reminding us of the infinite possibilities that lie within the intersection of different disciplines. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of our existence, we are reminded of our humble origins as stardust. We are reminded that the boundaries between the physical and the metaphysical are not as rigid as they may seem. In embracing a hybrid science that transcends traditional boundaries, scientists like Melvin Felton invite us to embark on a journey of discovery, to explore the vast universe within ourselves and to unlock the secrets that lie hidden in the depths of our minds. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, we are but a small part, intricately connected to the celestial dance of stars and galaxies. It is through the lens of science and the power of human imagination that we can begin to unravel the mysteries that surround us. As we continue to explore the frontiers of knowledge, let us embrace the wisdom of those who dare to push the boundaries of our understanding, for it is through their insights that we may glimpse the true nature of our existence and find inspiration to reach for the stars. If we truly consider the possibility that the division between the mental and the physical is merely a result of our limited perception of reality, then we open ourselves up to a whole new realm of understanding. It's as if our brains have been looking at a blurry picture and only seeing fragments of the true picture. But what if there is so much more to the universe than what we can currently comprehend? Imagine for a moment that the universe is like a vast neural network, with each celestial body and planet acting as synapses in this immense cosmic brain. Just as our own neurons communicate with each other, there could be a way for us to communicate with these celestial entities on a scale that is beyond our wildest imagination. It's a concept that is both mind-boggling and awe-inspiring. Under this paradigm, we could potentially tap into the Earth's magnetic field and use it as a channel for communication. And who knows what other bodies in the universe might offer similar possibilities. Perhaps there are channels of communication waiting to be discovered, channels that could connect us with unknown entities and expand our understanding of the universe. This idea brings to mind the visionary genius of Nikola Tesla, who believed in the existence of a universal energy that could be harnessed for the benefit of humanity. Tesla's ideas were often ahead of his time, and he dared to dream of a world where science and spirituality were intertwined. If we were to make this discovery, it would be a testament to the vastness of Tesla's vision and the potential of human ingenuity. But let us not forget the significance of such a discovery. It would not only revolutionize our understanding of the universe, but also challenge our perception of ourselves. We would no longer see ourselves as isolated beings in a vast and empty cosmos. Instead, we would be part of a grand interconnected web, where every thought and action has the potential to ripple through the cosmic fabric. Jung's collective unconscious. Jung's concept of the collective unconscious offers a fascinating perspective on the nature of the physical universe and its relation to our psychological experiences. If we were to consider the possibility that the physical universe is, in fact, a psychological illusion, then the idea of space travel takes on a whole new dimension. It could be seen as a metaphorical exploration of the vast depths of the collective unconscious, akin to the way Carl Jung viewed UFOs. Jung's interpretation of UFOs as a psychological phenomenon is intriguing. In his book Flying Saucers, A Modern Myth of Things Seen in the Skies, he delved into the symbolic and psychological significance of these mysterious objects. Rather than dismissing the possibility of physical UFOs, Jung focused on their deeper meaning. He argued that the widespread fascination with flying saucers represented a modern manifestation of an archetype or primordial image from the collective unconscious. Considering this perspective, one might ponder what the collective unconscious truly represents. Could it be the manifestations of an infinite mind, a vast cosmic brain-like entity that is dreaming itself? It is a thought-provoking concept that brings us closer to a realization that the boundaries between the material and the mental may not be as distinct as we once believed. If we entertain the notion that the physical universe is a psychological illusion, it opens up a world of possibilities. It challenges our preconceived notions and invites us to question the nature of reality itself. Perhaps what we perceive as the material world is merely a projection of our collective psyche, a grand tapestry woven by the infinite mind. In this expanded understanding, the exploration of space takes on a new significance. It becomes a journey into the depths of our own consciousness, a quest to uncover the hidden realms of the collective unconscious. Just as space travel allows us to venture into the unknown, delving into the depths of our psyche enables us to discover the vast reservoirs of wisdom and potential that lie within. By embracing Jung's concept of the collective unconscious and contemplating the possibility of a psychological universe, we transcend the limitations of our current understanding. We open ourselves up to a greater sense of wonder and awe, realizing that the true nature of reality may be far more complex and interconnected than we ever imagined. In conclusion, Jung's exploration of the collective unconscious offers us a profound perspective on the interplay between the physical and the psychological. It challenges us to question our assumptions and delve deeper into the mysteries of existence. As we continue to unravel the enigma of the universe, let us remember that the distinction between what is material and what is mental may be an illusion itself, and that the implications of such a revelation are both humbling and awe-inspiring. So we've come almost full circle in connecting the dots to a recognition that the distinction our thoughts make between what is material and what is mental may not actually exist in reality, and the apparent implications of such a revelation.